Roya here, back at it again with another banger for you guys. And today I did this something light, you know, something light, summer, hot girl summer look. Because it's about that time and you gotta stun on them for the one time, So if you want to see how I did this look, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I'm doing is putting concealer on my eyes, and this is by the Makeup Revolution. And I'll also have everything, all the products down below in the description box for you guys to reference. So next I'm using my Sylvia Gani eyeshadow palette and using that like muted bone shade color here just to like make sure that all the eyeshadows blend. And then I'm gonna put that yellow shade from the Sylvia Gani palette and then put that into my creasy crease, you know, just a little something. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with a blender brush that I got from Shop Miss A. Next I'm gonna use this AliExpress eyeshadow palette here and using that eyeshadow, that yellow too, just to like deepen it up just a little bit because it wasn't yellow for me. I had to yellow it up, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. Boom, more yellow, more bright. Bam. And still blend, you know, blending is key, guys. Blending is key. So next I'm going to use my James Charles palette. I know people have their controversy, you know what I'm trying to say about this palette, but this is the only shade of red that I like, so I was like, you know, I'm just going to use it for today. And then I'm just going to put that on my lids and then blend it out, and it's going to give you that like orange like in the crease a little bit. You see it? You see that orange just a little bit? Next I'm going to use my broken I'm very sad Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter and put that into my inner corner to give me that little shimmer. Like give me that shimmer, girl. Like give it all of it. Next I'm gonna do my eyeliner. My eyeliner didn't come out the way I wanted to, but like it's alright. We still continue with the look, you know what I'm saying? Next I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And I forgot to put on primer, but like this acts as a primer for me, so we're gonna do what it do. Next I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution foundation and then put it all over my face, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna go too far up on my forehead simply because I'm gonna contour my forehead. But I'm gonna put the foundation everywhere else in my face because it matches the rest of my face, just not my forehead. So I'm gonna leave that to the end. Next, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution, you know, concealer here. And I will have the shades down below for you guys just to, you know, show you guys what shade I'm using or whatever, you know. And then I'm gonna blend that bad boy out. Blend it out, girl. Blend it out. Go ahead. Do what it do. Next, I'm gonna take my rayeraye palette here and use the darkest shade to contour my forehead. This is where I'm just gonna contour everything else, you know, my cheekbones and my forehead. That's why I left it blank, because I'm just gonna contour it and everything, it's just gonna blend out nicely. Next, I'm just gonna use that middle shade for the all over my face, simply because, you know, it matches the rest of my face and, you know, it matches. And make sure everything's all blended and, you know, just make sure everything is all blended. Next, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution. I got a lot of stuff from Makeup Revolution, okay. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution powder here and then like set my concealer so it won't crease or oil up throughout the day. And then I'm gonna put it on my cheekbone area just to like make sure my contour is snatched to the gods. To the gods. And then, what am I doing? Okay. And then I put my little bit of blush, you know, make me look all cute or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I start by brushing them out, taking all that foundation that I have on my eyebrows off, and then I'm gonna fill them in just a little bit, just to darken it, because the foundation makes my eyebrows look ashy, so this helps darken it and stuff like that. And this eyebrow came a little wonky, but I'm about to fix that in a second. Yes, take that concealer and fix that eyebrow up. Now look at that, look better. Next, I'm gonna take my lip liner here. This is like a brown, and I'm just gonna fill in my lips to give me that rat doll look. I'm looking for that rat doll look. Next, I'm gonna take my lip gloss. I'm gonna take my Anastasia lip gloss, and then I'm gonna take my. I'm gonna have the other lip gloss down below because I can't remember the name right now. I'm gonna take that lip gloss, and next I'm going to be using highlighter, and I'm gonna use that. It's my rayeraye highlighter here. So I did my lashes off camera simply because it was giving me so much technical difficulties, and I don't know if I still have it right, but they staying on. They're not going nowhere. So lastly, I'm just gonna spray my face, and then bam, boom, bada bang. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little hot girl summer. Get ready with me because it's hot girl summer, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.